Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we are gonna test how good it will sound the new JBL Partybox 130 inside of the car. Of course, the JBL Partybox 130 has 200 watts of power when it is connected to the power source that comes from two 5.25 inch woofers and two tweeters. In my opinion, it looks very good, but it is kind of expensive. And to see how good it is, I will gonna measure the power with a decibel meter. I have it right here. I will gonna put it on dBc on maximum value. I will gonna leave it on the dashboard just like that, and let's test the song. Of course, if you like the song, you will gonna find it in a couple of days on only on AudioTribe YouTube channel on members.
Lights glow bright, sound check running through the night. Tweet a sharp like laser beams. Woofer shaking on my grid. Low and roll, they feel that way. Bass so deep, it cracks the place. Every herb is coming alive. Speaker testing AudioTribe.
Let's see how it will sound with the car closed.
Balance clean, sharpest sound you've ever seen. Boom! Let the baseline rise, feel the pressure multiply. Sweeters cutting through the sky. AudioTribe worldwide. Walls begin to shake, every frequency awake. Power clarity combined. Pure sound engineer tonight.
I really like this new track. Remember, only for members on AudioTribe YouTube channel. So we have the measurements. It recorded 116.1 decibels. Of course, this is much better than the recordings that I have inside of the house, because this space it is much smaller. And yes, you can give it will sound amazing. You will have bass, you will have highs. The house the car will shake, but of course on the outside it will not shake that much, and of course the sound it will not be that high. So I am very curious, what do you think about the new track? I am very curious, what do you think about the JBL Partybox 130 being inside of a car? Look at it, it looks really good. And tell me in the comments, which speaker do you want to test next inside of the car? Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!